To customize clock on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. Enter it and then click on the left tile right here. Click on Customize below, and then select your clock. Now finally you'll be able to adjust your clock, so you can change to different font. You can change the hours format. You can change the widget like the temperature or wind speed or date or anything below the clock. And that is basically everything here. You can also adjust the colors. So click on the font effects below, and then you can switch to different color for the main font of the clock, and also secondary for the widgets that are displayed below it. And finally, when you're done, click on apply. That is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.